This is a severe weather alert. You are watching 13 on your side.
And we begin with weather this afternoon and the potential for severe storms this evening and tomorrow.
So we want to get right to Chief Meteorologist George Lessons, who's tracking it all and has the timeline.
Storms this evening will be done by about midnight, and so between now and about midnight is when you need to stay weather aware. We have a severe thunderstorm watch issued a little while ago for all of West Michigan, including Oceana, Newaygo, Mecosta County, all the way down to Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun County. Maximum size hail could be up to 1.5 inches in diameter. Maximum wind gusts up to 60+ miles per hour as these storms move from west to east at about 30 miles per hour. We're watching this line of some stronger storms coming across Lake Michigan. There is the potential that some of those could be on the stronger to severe side. Already special marine warnings in effect from Pentwater down to St. Joseph until 6 o'clock this evening for winds up to 40 miles an hour right now. But I think once that gets inland, taps some of the heat and humidity of the day, especially south of Grand Rapids, there could be some strong to severe storms. So a special weather statement issued here just a little while ago for the perhaps some gusty winds here in the next couple of hours affecting all of those highlighted areas. This is part of a storm system that's coming into West Michigan that's bringing all the heat and humidity. So the arrival of these storms will put it into Holland at about 6:30, Muskegon 6:10, and here in Grand Rapids about 7:22 as it progresses across the region. Other than that, we've got a severe thunderstorm watch across the lake as well, as more storms are expected there. And we've just now been upgraded to a Category 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. That's a slight risk for us here in West Michigan, which means there could be that strong damaging wind. There's a medium risk for that, low risk for large hail, and not a zero, but a low risk for tornadoes here in West Michigan. So just stay weather aware here this evening. We'll have a complete look at the tomorrow night storm. This will be after midnight tomorrow night through early Wednesday morning for that second round possible.
Well, after that warmer, sunny weekend, sounds like we have to be a little bit of weather aware tonight.
You know, and depending on where you were, it was raining and then the sun came out.
Yep.
Then now we're going to get rain again, George.
Yeah, the severe weather is starting to notch its way up here over the next 48 hours. We had some ordinary showers and thunderstorms, welcome rain here earlier today. Now we're taking it up a notch. We got some stronger storms perhaps this evening. 13 weather ball is blinking bright. Because of that insight, it's also red. We have even warmer weather ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And around the area, it is cloudy along the lakeshore as we go to the weather graphics, and we also have a little bit of inland sunshine. So all of that in combination, storms starting to move across Lake Michigan, heading into southwest lower Michigan here next couple of hours. And we have very warm temperatures. Sun is starting to come back out. It's been in the mid 80s to the south. It's only been in the 70s to the north. In fact, Ludington, you're only at 62 degrees and a lot of moisture in the air, a lot of fuel to help these storms get kicked off. Generally in the mid 60s, the sensor there in Kalamazoo and in Hillsdale are not functioning properly and replacement is ordered. We had that severe thunderstorm watch come out a little after 4:30 until 10 o'clock tonight. There's one line of storms crossing Lake Michigan right now, which has been warned with a special marine warning. That will push through between about 5:30, 6 o'clock tonight and about 10, 11 o'clock as it pushes to the east. But more storms are certainly possible back to the west. We are definitely in the warm air for about another 36 to 48 hours, and then we'll take it down a notch over the next couple. You can see we've made 80 here. We'll eventually end up into the 70s later on this week, heading into the holiday weekend. Here is that line of storms right now. This is moving through between about 6 and 11 o'clock. It'll be completely east of our area. And then skies are going to clear on out tomorrow, so it's going to get very warm and very humid. Here comes the next. This is a very large storm system. Here's the leading edge of the storms. This is 8 o'clock tomorrow night. It is a long way from West Michigan, so this will be coming through while you are sleeping tomorrow night. This is 11 o'clock tomorrow night. That will push through between 11 and about 4 to 5 in the morning. So definitely in the middle of the night, and then we'll be back into some sunshine on Wednesday after all of that moves away. Tonight, we've been upgraded to a 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather, mostly in the next few hours. And that means that we have that 2 out of 5 or a slight risk chance. The much higher risk tomorrow night, this is during the evening into the overnight hours, we are still in a slight risk. Would not be surprised if this enhanced risks make it into southwest lower Michigan. But right now, we still are at a 2 out of 5. Again, late tomorrow night, not during the day. This will be well after 11 o'clock tomorrow night into very early Wednesday morning. Temperatures are going to get up close to 88 tomorrow away from the lakeshore. I think even the lakeshore may get as warm as that. You can see behind that cold front coming through, despite sunshine on Wednesday, we'll be down into the mid 70s and then into the upper 70s on Thursday. All of the active weather here in the next 36 hours. As we wrap up the month of May, from the 26th through the 30th, we still have a little bit higher chance of hanging on to those warmer than average readings, which are in the low and mid 70s. Far as rainfall goes, a little higher chance we'll see that storm track close to the Great Lakes region. So we could see kind of a wet period during that same period. Special marine warning along the lakeshore until the 6 o'clock this evening. Inland, we have that severe thunderstorm watch until 10 o'clock, unless it's canceled earlier. It's going to drop into the mid 50s, northern part of the lakeshore area, upper 50s to near 60 around Muskegon and Holland southward. Northern areas still got that severe thunderstorm watch south of US 10, mid 50s here to near 60 in Greenville, and showers and thunderstorms between about 6 p.m. and 11 p.m. off to the east. Overnight lows in the somewhat humid 60 to 60 plus range. 13 on your side forecast. We've highlighted Tuesday. That would be overnight Tuesday night and before daybreak on Wednesday with that severe weather risk. Right now, a 2 out of 5. 88 dropping to 76 and then 78. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday will all be dry. We'll hit the low 80s again on Friday. Friday night, if you're going camping, there'll be some showers and storms and kind of scattered showers and storms on and off most of the day on Saturday before they end Sunday morning. Right now, the holiday looks to be dry and 77, slightly cooler than Tuesday through Thursday next week. Well, so far today it's been a stormy day, but right now no severe weather being reported. There is anticipation, though, there could be some stronger storms. 13 weather ball is blinking bright. It's downpouring in sight, especially along the lakeshore right now. It's also red. Tomorrow, even warmer weather ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And if you want to join the 13 weather team with behind-the-scenes information, text the word weather to 616-559-1310. Might give you a little insight into how we determine what the weather is going to be. It's going to be stormy this evening for Poppy, especially in the next couple of hours as it goes from partly cloudy to stormy, but then the clouds will clear on out. Going to give a green paw by 10 o'clock and a green paw to start your day and most of the day, Debbie. It should be fine here tomorrow. Tomorrow, almost as much sunshine is today in our green energy report. Going to generate a lot of sunshine with the green energy, 3.3 on the wind scale, and they'll get a little bit breezy toward evening. It's pouring in the lakeshore right now, especially in the Muskegon area where there's some rumbles of thunder. It's going to take a little while to get into the Grand Rapids area, but we do have that severe thunderstorm watch until 10 o'clock tonight, all being caused by a very strong storm system coming in across the lake. There's another one coming in during the day tomorrow. Temperatures right now are ranging from the 60s to the north to the 80s to the south, and it's that battleground where we're going to see the showers and thunderstorms tonight. Here's the model showing that first line coming through. This is by about 11 o'clock tonight. That's all pushed to the east. Here comes the next round. This will not happen until around midnight tomorrow night through about 4 a.m. on Wednesday. So during the day tomorrow, we should stay sunny throughout much of the afternoon. Boy, is it going to get very, very warm around here. So tonight we have a category 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather. That's over the next couple of hours, and that's an upgrade from earlier today. And then tomorrow we also have a slight risk. This will be happening from about midnight to 4 a.m. on Wednesday morning. The highest risk will be back to our west. Would not be surprised if we get bumped up to a category 3 here tomorrow. Temperatures are going to be up here in Grand Rapids, getting as warm as 88 tomorrow, but then dropping to 76 with lower humidity finally moving in on Wednesday. And Thursday will be on the warmer side, but at least the humidity levels will stay on the lower side. Looking farther ahead, we're getting into the end of May and early June. There's an equal chance that we could see warmer or cooler temperatures. By that time, we're back up into the mid 70s for highs and an equal chance for more or less rainfall. At least we'll be out of the storm track compared to the end of the 6 to 10 day forecast. forecast. So tonight, showers and thunderstorms along the lakeshore. Special marine warning is expected to expire at 6 p.m. It'll be breezier late tonight, mid-50s north, upper 50s to near 60 around Muskegon, Holland, down towards South Haven. Stormy evening, but after about 10 or 11 o'clock, most of the storms will be to the east, but that severe thunderstorm watch in the meantime, mid-50s to near 60 degrees. Showers and storms will be moving across the area between about 6 p.m. and 11 p.m. exiting Battle Creek. Overnight lows in the somewhat humid 60 to mid-60s. 13 on your side forecast. So a dry day tomorrow with morning clouds, afternoon sunshine, getting up to 88. And then it's late tomorrow night between about midnight and 4 a.m. where we see the slight risk for now of severe weather. And then breezy, cooler, and less humid on Wednesday, 76. Also dry on Thursday, 78. Dry on Friday, 83. Overnight Friday night, if you're doing some camping, there'll be some stormy weather and on and off showers on Saturday, but Saturday and Sunday will be humid as the showers depart in the morning on Sunday. It'll be dry in the afternoon and sunny on Memorial Day itself. Next week, a small chance of a shower Tuesday with more seasonable temperatures in the low 70s with at least some sunshine. So 2 times to stay weather aware, guys, early this evening and very late tomorrow night.
We will.
I can't believe 88 is on the forecast for tomorrow. Wow. Okay. Thank you, George.
George, we're keeping an eye on the sky, but so far, no severe weather.
No reported severe weather. Did see a wind gust over in the Saugatuck Pier, 56 miles per hour.
That's a big
yeah,
one.
getting close. 44-mile-per-hour wind gust over in Holland. Skies are getting dark off to the west of the weather deck here. Need to get inside here pretty quickly. 13 weather ball is blinking bright. We have showers and early evening thunderstorms in sight, and they'll end. And it's also red, even warmer weather ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Temperatures today climb to the mid-80s to the south, 70s to the north. We've stopped at 81 so far here in Grand Rapids, just outside of our target range. We forecast 86 from last night at 11. We'll try to get back on track here tomorrow. Now, tomorrow we'll be into the upper 80s, probably close to, but the only record that may be set will be in Muskegon. All of those were in that very warm year of 1977. Yeah, strong thunderstorms coming into West Michigan right now. Just mentioned those wind gusts. And tomorrow we have another round. This is actually going to be right around midnight or just before midnight on Tuesday into early on Wednesday. Right now it is a slight risk. Wouldn't be surprised if it's upgraded to an enhanced risk. But right now we have a medium risk tomorrow night after midnight for hail and wind, low risk for tornadoes. So that's between 11 p.m. Tuesday and 4 a.m. on Wednesday. As far as active weather right now, we are tracking these storms going to be moving into the Grand Rapids area here very, very shortly. Already has moved through the west of the Muskegon area. Here they are before 8 o'clock, and by 10 o'clock they'll be pushing to the east, and then that will be it. The rest of the night will be quiet. We'll see some clearing skies then take place during the day tomorrow, and it's because of that clearing skies here tomorrow, it is going to get very warm and very humid. Now late tomorrow night, we'll see those showers and storms move on in. This is 8 o'clock in the evening. Nothing going on tomorrow night, but this is 11 o'clock tomorrow night. So you'll have to have a way to get weather alerts after midnight here tomorrow night through very early on Wednesday. I think that could be the strongest line of severe weather, and then back to dry weather during the day on Wednesday. So for tomorrow, morning clouds, afternoon sun. Temperatures will climb into the mid and even upper 80s with that possible record there in Muskegon. Northern areas, skies will be clearing out after some more morning clouds. Mid and upper 80s here in the greater Grand Rapids area will also be in the upper 80s, including 89 in Kalamazoo and Battle Creek. 13 on your side forecast. Hazy, humid tomorrow, dry during the day. Those will be the overnight storms for about 4 hours. Breezy, cooler, and less humid Wednesday. Dry also on Thursday as we warm to 78, 83 on Friday. Friday night, we'll see more showers and storms, on and off showers Saturday. And then on Sunday, some of those showers will linger with that humidity sticking around. We'll drop from 79 Saturday to 77 on Sunday. The holiday itself will be around 77 degrees, and then we'll see more seasonable weather, low and mid 70s Tuesday through the following Thursday.